Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the June GlossyBox. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, today's video we are going to be unboxing the June GlossyBox. This is my PR box. I also pay for this box monthly as well. I generally gift to friends and family and so on. Every now and then I'll do a giveaway on my channel, so keep your eyes peeled. But yeah, this one is gifted. I have not paid for it. Glossy give it to me so I can film it and pop it on my channel for you to see if you like it and want to treat yourself. If you do want to treat yourself, this is $13.50 per month. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it becomes monthly as well. I do have a link and a code and all of that jazz. I will link it down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click. And yeah, it'll get your first box for £10, I believe, but double check that. Definitely go check it. But yeah, we are ripping this bad boy open to see what we've got. We haven't got a box this month. We have a bag. Interesting. So let's just take a sneaky peek. We have a load of information leaflets there as well. Let's get rid of them. We're not interested in them. Oh, we have some perfume samples. Oh, we have the little card here. So this edit is called Summer Vibes. And then there is a sneak peek. But let's just get straight to it and get digging in this box to see exactly what we've got. Let's do it. Just scanning the card and it works. That is fabulous. It's white. Normally mine only works when the QR code is black, but it is actually works, so very happy with that. Right, so starting off with the first product. This isn't actually on the edit card, but it is a product, so let's have a look at it. We'll just rip this open. We have a cosmetics bag. I am loving the colours, definitely very summery indeed. It feels really good quality. You've got the Glossy brand logo there, splattered on the front. We have a nice zip detail, and then that is inside. That's quite roomy, we can get quite a bit in there. I think that is going to be perfect for when I go on holiday, so it's definitely giving off holiday vibes. So technically, going by the edit card, the first product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Anatomicals, and this is New York, London, Paris and Foam Body Cleanser. It's a deluxe size, has a value of £4.05. A fashionably fruity body cleanser to leave your skin feeling refreshed wherever you might find yourself in the world, whether it be the most glamorous capital cities or locations the jet set don't normally venture. Let this luxurious cleanser absorb into your skin as it contributes to making our planet a better place to call home. Okay, yeah, so basically a shower gel, a body wash, what have you. Let's have a little sniff. That's lovely. That is really nice. I've tried lots of different body products by this brand and they've been amazing. They are affordable as well, which makes it even better. Love the look of the packaging. Love that the product's actually pink and smells delicious, so happy. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Lottie London, and this is Ready Set Go setting powder. So again, this is a deluxe size product. It has a value of £3.95. This setting powder helps set makeup in place so your skin stays flawless throughout the day. Applying the face powder over foundation, paying attention to areas that are prone to shine for a long lasting natural matte finish. I love this powder. I love this brand. They do some really nice affordable makeup. Yeah, I find that this is nice and brightening, especially under the eyes. And yeah, again, another great product. Unfortunately, we've had it a few times in different branded beauty boxes out there, but that's fine. I like using it. I personally am happy to get it. Third product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Gatanu, and this is a collagen expert ceramide smoothing cream. Again, it's a deluxe size. It has a value of £24. Wow. A luxurious hydrating and nourishing cream with a beautiful comforting texture formulated with 3 different collagen, peptides, fatty acids, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This powerful cream is clinically proven to smooth and plump the skin. It targets signs of aging, boosts elasticity, whilst also working to protect the skin barrier against environmental stressors. Skin is left conditioned, hydrated and instantly radiant, and it'll thank you. Oh, that sounds amazing. If it does what it says on the tin, I will certainly be a happy chappy. I've had some gorgeous skincare products by this brand, so I am super excited to try that. Never tried this one before, so yeah, can't wait to slap it on my face. The fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Made by Mitchell. This is a full-size product and it is a blush in the shade Lemon Sorbet. It has a value of £14 and it just says enhance your natural colour with Made by Mitchell's cream blushes. Oh Hey Blush. It's suitable for all skin types. Blush was formulated for the blusher lovers. Ooh, I think I've had 1 or 2 of the blushes before in different things that I've unboxed in the past. Have a little swatch of this. I think I've received 1 or 2 of these different blushes before. I can't remember in what brand beauty boxes. No, I can't remember. But Made by Mitchell, very happy to get it. Ooh, so this is what that colour looks like. So it's like peachy. Oh wow, I put way too much on. Look how, oh look what I've done. Oh, look how pigmented that is off that tiny little bit. Be very careful when putting that on. That is an absolutely beautiful colour, and this is going to last such a long time because you just have to put the tiniest of smidgens on. Yeah, don't do what I did. So the fifth in the box, it says choose your fragrance. So I think you should have got an email basically just asking you to choose a fragrance. For my own personal box, I honestly can't remember what I've chosen. No idea whatsoever. But in this box, in my PR box, they have given me this. So this is by Hawaiian Tropic and it is a body mist and it's the Island Resort fragrance. It says rain kissed orchid and pomegranate. That sounds really nice. Let's have a whiff. Oh, that smells absolutely gorgeous. So this has an RRP of £6, which is cool. And then there's like little fragrances, little perfume fragrances or testers that you could have chosen, which I think was 10 mils. I think I chose this in my box that I paid for, if I'm honest. I don't know, don't quote me on that because I really can't remember. My memory is so bad, but very happy to get this in my PR box. I've also noticed as well in the box is we have some little samples as well. So it is Flower Bomb by Victor and Rolf. So there's 2 here. So we have the, what's that one? The Iconic fragrance, and we have Tiger Lily. So I've never had a little tester like that before. What do? You just... Oh. Okay, so yeah, you just peel that back and it's like literally like a drop or 2 that's there. Oh my god, that Iconic one. That's divine. That's absolutely divine. I can't use that one because I've just used that on both my wrists and I've got nowhere else to rub it, but oh, that's beautiful. Really nice. I might have to put that on my wish list for a full size. You'll notice as well, I think we have another freebie in the box. We have this. So this is by Nivea and it is the Refreshing Soft Moisturising Cream. So you can use this on your face, your hands, your body. Slap it anywhere you want, basically, within reason. There's 25 mils in here, so it's a really decent size. Is that yeah, it is sealed. But yeah, that's a really decent size to get. I love Nivea creams and stuff, smell beautiful. So yeah, this is the June GlossyBox. This is the Summer Vibes edit. What do you think? Personally, I'm really liking this box, and I'm not just saying that because I got gifted this as PR, because like I say, I do pay for this monthly myself as well. But I love it. I think it's such a good box. So, I mean, we got some little perfume samples as a freebie. We've got the Nivea Cream as a freebie. And the bag wasn't classed as an item either. So we got the bag, the makeup bag in there too, cosmetic bag. Yeah. Fantastic summer box. Fantastic. I'm over the moon. Most importantly though, what do you think? Comment down below and share your thoughts. Again, if you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, I will leave the link and code down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click, get your first box for a tenner. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!